Warning, the following video is rated PG-13. Parental guidance suggested.
Shoes untied already. God, thanks.
Got old Greg tending the breakfast fire. You know that trail name's gonna stick with you now, right?
That's funny. Have you watched that YouTube video?
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
That's freaking creepy.
Yeah, it is. Hey, old Greg.
You in my waters. Do you love me?
Oh, shoot.
Well, I think that's gonna go.
Looks like it. I think our newbie's still asleep.
Yeah, he said he'd be up early. Next year's gonna have to be
Condensed?
hiking.
Yeah.
Because they're not getting too many hits on the...
But it was a good tool to get people interested in the page, though.
Yeah.
I will say that. Yep.
Yeah.
Newbies just...
I'll let you, if you want, you can trade yours in.
For what?
I have bigger ones now.
Do you?
Oh, yeah.
Well, I got a big head, so that might work.
27 inch.
Yeah.
Those are 20.
I've got a 27 inch.
Yeah.
And that's on video.
Easy there, killer.
Easy there.
Dang, my hands are cold.
What up?
How we doing, fellas?
Welcome to the party.
This is the Christian men's group for camping, or
It is. It is.
only good place?
We've been telling dirty jokes.
I came to the right place then.
Did you hear one about Cain and Abel?
There's Brian gone off to take a shit. Got everybody getting ready.
Trying to stuff a 12-pound of crap into a 5-pound bag.
This is where Greg slept last night.
Got my dog bowl down there. Take a dump in. And
Was that what that's for? I was gonna say, come on, Greg.
He's got Subway in case he gets hungry.
We got our newbie here, Ryan. Say hello.
Hello.
You get to be in a video, man.
I know.
Aren't you excited?
I'm excited.
Hell, you'll be in two if Ryan films.
I don't know. This ain't working too good, boys.
Are you taking that? Is that you taking that? That's your sleeping bag you're gonna sleep with tonight?
Yeah.
We're gonna approach Master Woodsman here, Bushcrafter Supreme, Old Greg.
Yeah. This is how you do it now. Survivor.
Survivor. Jeez.
Come.
Oh, I don't care.
This is Chris's outing. I have a Hoosier Hiker Backpacker page. Are you a member of my page? Probably not, but I'll check it out. Well, if you will. Yeah, promise me. Okay, this is the Hoosier Hiker.
Just get this thing going now, John.
Just, yeah. They're not worth anything anymore.
Hey, what's your name here?
Yeah.
Bandana for you. He's like fucking Oprah with them things.
Okay.
You get a bandana.
Exactly. That's right.
Chris came within 13 of them last year.
Yeah, he made me one of the challenges last year.
Yeah. Just people had to meet him on the trail.
It's not like a cherry race, is it, or anything like that? A jelly bean race, nothing like that.
No,
right?
no, it's.
Where you got to sit on a block ice. And pick it
No,
up with
this
your
is
butt
real.
and run over it.
This is real.
Drop it in the cup, and if you don't get it in the cup, you got to eat
I might
it.
add that one. You already got that one down, I take it. You've already done that one, all right?
No, I've just heard about it. I didn't go to school, man. I went to work. I got married and went to work, man. That's what I did after
So
high
if
school.
you do all the challenges, then you get bestowed with a purple bandana with our logo on it.
Nice.
Those are the only
And
elite.
what is the site again?
Hoosier Hikers / Backpackers.
Okay.
And if you don't join, I'm gonna hunt you down.
Yeah, or I got to pay you $5 for the bandana. I better put that in my notes so I don't forget.
I
Hey,
mean,
your
there's
buddies.
this other garbage group you might want to check out. It's called the Outdoor Adventure Life. Those
Well, I
guys.
figured all these guys are members of your page.
No.
About the only club I'm active in is the Hoosier Canoe Club. I help lead a lot of their trips.
Well, you don't have to do anything.
Yeah.
But there are 3 questions you have to answer. If you don't answer answer the first question for sure.
First time I had sex was by myself.
Yeah.
Is that one of the answers?
1984.
You're in!
But the first question will address that.
I got a little notes page here.
All
I
right.
just put notes on it so I don't forget. So it's called Hoosier Hikers.
Hoosier Hikers / Backpackers. Goddamn, I'm only gonna say it one more time. All right.
What was that again?
He's got like a carbon fiber tent.
Even up there enough hip movement.
Yeah.
Ha!
Cock your leg up a little
Here,
bit.
Chris, you're good at it.
1980 again.
I just
I got almost a whole package.
I can film
Bad,
the camera from my app, and I can also do see when I'm filming and do playback on my phone. Because this is a pretty small screen. Yeah, but their new app is pretty. I don't know why I got this, because I have a 3, and I've used this. I've got my money's worth out of the 3. But this just shoots so much better.
I run with one, and you can tell I'm running.
Yeah.
That he had found this and tried this, and man, it's fantastic.
Huh.
You just unzip it and set it outside, and it'll stand up on its own, even though it's a soft side, and it works real well. Of course, you drink, you may have to pour it outside, dump it out.
Make sure you label it, I'm sure.
Oh shit! Put the
Where'd
wrong
you get
thing.
your peanut butter at?
Meyer.
Really?
Watch
Yeah.
your feet a lot. You know, watch your step.
It comes in a jar. It's only about that tall and about that big around, and they've got chocolate, peanut butter chocolate. And that's what I bought first, thinking that's gotta be great. With jelly, it's nasty. So
Oh, yeah.
That's amazing.
I wanted to try this because we're gonna do the adventure hiking trail again, and I wanted something for lunches that were gonna be better than just packing tuna in all the time. And I'm really impressed. That was damn good.
What was the tortilla thing you put it on?
Pita bread, pita pocket. That was just a half of one. And those things, I mean, if you only hike like every couple of weeks, I don't know what they've got in it, but mold won't grow. I've had some for, I don't know, 6-8 weeks, and I threw them away because I wasn't going to eat them, but boy, there was no mold or anything on them. But,
Monsanto brand.
yeah.
They did a thing with the McDonald's hamburger and french fries. They set it out for like a year. It just like it didn't say they set it out. No mold, nothing on it.
I did it by accident one time. I left one in my backpack. And,
Oh, yeah?
like a month or 2 later, I was like, oh, crap. You know, and I
A
thought,
burger?
Yeah, and I was like, oh no. I was like, this thing's gonna
Spoiled,
stink.
had molded or nothing, did it?
Like
Maybe.
grilled with it.
So, Matt.
Yeah.
What's your Cameron? What is your YouTube channel called?
Fish Eye Guy Outdoors.
Okay, and I'll leave a link in the description. And what does one see on Fish Eye Guy Outdoors?
Well, I've got a little bit of everything. I used to put a lot of ATV videos on there, but now it's more hiking, camping, fishing, stuff like that.
Yeah, you do a lot of fishing, dude.
Yeah, I try.
I mean, you've like posted like pictures like almost every day in the summer, I think, or something like that.
I try, yeah, as much as I can. I enjoy it, but I enjoy a lot of outdoor activities. So.
Cool. All right, well, check him out. Check him out. Go sub his channel, damn it.
I don't play any of them. I just.
All right, appreciate it.
Thank you.
My wife's been teaching middle school and high school orchestra.
I read that already.
Hey, Brian. What kind of setup is that?
It's just my cell phone.
Yeah, I didn't even have it up that I was going to do it.
It's my cell phone with a little hole
The only reason I didn't get it is I'm 6'4". We were talking about the length and there went out.
I'm gonna get.
It is. They're short.
Yeah, it's no problem.
It's funny because
for the
I
mug
still
shots.
got
Yeah.
it, and every so often I'll pull it
This is
out
Brad,
and
by
use
the way.
it.
How you doing?
The biggest
Alias
thing I
Skyline.
notice is like
Skyline, yes.
Yeah.
when I'm
Yeah.
laying in there, the ridge line is only
I'm not
a
used
few
to people
inches off
telling
your
me their
face.
trail names, so I have
Whereas
to
like
get
in
used
the
to it.
Yeah, I don't even know people's real names. I just know their trail names.
Yeah.
That's it.
The only thing with
I'm
my
hoping to get
friend,
one someday.
Yeah.
he sent me a thing.
What do you have to do to get the trail name?
He sent me
Something goofy or somebody gives it to you, or I just
pull yourself up.
I
So how
just
did you
decide my own, man.
How did you get Skyline?
Because I like Skyline chili a lot.
Oh, yes, it is good chili.
Yeah, not because of Skyline Drive. Yeah.
County. It's what's called 340B. It's kind of federally funded because they need hospitals in rural areas and stuff. So we get really great deals on our medicine.
That's good.
I take Zomig for migraines, and I hardly ever get them anymore. But 10 pills is $400.
Ooh.
At another, when she worked for a different hospital.
Yeah.
And I pay $17.
Oh, much better.
Look at that.
It's no wind
He
tonight.
got really hurt one time doing the same thing.
Holy hell.
You got to watch his
He tried to
top
push it and
snap
it
off.
snapped off the top. And from that high up, it came down his round head.
Yeah, guys, you
Didn't hit
guys.
him on the head.
How you gonna? Well, it looks like it's still solid though.
No.
It's not solid at the bottom.
No.
Last one I worked cut down, it didn't work out so well. No, it was just right over there. It just fell, and then it just sat there. And it's still sitting there. It's sitting in another tree.
I ain't sleeping under it.
I was gonna say, are you gonna move?
Well,
I thought I am. I'm.
You know why I'm not moving? Because it's got them spikes on it and be a quick death.
That way you don't have to
He's
listen
ready to
for
check
my
the fuck
jokes.
out, people. You just don't know.
You're like,
think
don't
he's
kiss
kidding.
me. Use a spike on my head. And don't let Flute Man get me after I'm dead.
Flute man.
Flute Man. Even if I'm a
Man, that's
reader.
really bad.
flute, right?
Can't believe I didn't see that.
2 duplexes. Look at that.
There's that parachute I was telling you about over there hanging up.
Oh yeah,
There
yeah.
in the water.
Oh, nice.
Steve made that.
Is that a Sawyer Mini?
Yeah.
Looks like it's got a leak.
Yeah. It kind of weeps.
Yeah.
The whole thing.
Easy to fill though, right?
Huh?
Easy to fill?
Easy to fill,
Yeah.
Toss it in water and give it a couple of jerks and you got a gallon of water.
Like $1,300 worth of
I know. I'm thinking
tent
there's
right
my
there.
semi-payment right there.
You get it where the water comes up, but it's a one-way valve.
I have the camo version.
Do you?
Yeah, love it.
Hey, you didn't bring it today?
I wish I had now,
Oh, I don't have a
because my hand hanging skills suck. So,
I have a sea kayak. It's
I sold all my hands.
did you?
Longer, like we do 100 miles.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of these.
With gear.
Have you seen the new amount by from
Yeah, I got a 13.5 foot boat that I run.
Hyperlight?
Hyperlight?
How do you
new
pronounce that? That DiGiorno or something like that?
Sit on top,
Yeah.
and you got the drain.
Man, it's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty damn neat.
Well, and they have one way.
It's great for fishing if you like to fish.
Yeah. And then we're gonna.
You could go right here.
Where's that?
Right here. I might have to clear a little bit. There's not a. Yeah, got a little dip.
So I can't just turn over one of my women to you until you get some experience. There's a tree about 100 yards out back. It's got a knot hole in it, right, the right size, right height. So you go practice on that for a couple days and come back. So he comes back.
First year we hunted out there, I was by myself bow hunting, and I heard what I could only describe as a woman screaming like she was in a horror movie. And after kind of getting my wits about me, I took off down to where this screaming was going on, thinking that somebody was in trouble, and finally heard something moving through the woods. It was a gray fox.
Great.
Yeah. I
You
mean,
know what how a red fox will do, don't you?
what?
It goes.
It's crazy.
Really?
Yeah. And I got an app, and we'll be out around the campfire, and I'll turn that thing on and I'll hold it up. And how many times have I called them in?
And they'll answer you.
Yeah.
It's funny.
But I thought it was some type of bird
Yeah, it's real.
because it sounds like a bird, but it's red fox.
Really?
Yeah.
Dummy. Oh, not that red fox. You big dummy.
Elizabeth, I'm coming.
Yeah.
I don't know. The first time I heard a bobcat scream like that, I had some property down by Friendship, and I was walking out by myself, bow hunting, and I got right to the corner of this ridge, and it kind of turned and went down the hill, and I was right there in the corner, and there's a little valley down in between this next ridge, and right as I was turning the corner, I heard that just scream at the top of its lungs, and I was like, I stopped. The hell was that? I've never heard anything like that in my life, and I started researching stuff on, just like bobcat screech, mountain lion. I was like, and it was bobcat is what I heard.
Oh, you heard the same?
Yeah.
See, I'd gone to those same type of sound bites, and I could never hear that particular sound. I need to go back and see if I can't search my history and see which one I've watched of his and see if I can just
It was definitely
get a soundtrack.
One of those things that it's just quiet and you're walking through the woods in the dark and you go on your deer stand and you hear that and you're like,
do I really want to be out here?
Right. I'm like,
I'm
you're
gonna
all by
record
yourself.
this
You're a mile
animal
out.
over here. Oh my God, that's great.
Coyote must have. I mean, he howled, did the long, lonely howl kind of sound. But that thing couldn't have been 100 feet from the rubber closer.
Oh yeah.
By the fire pit, there was one of those full steel, tripods, so you could put something right over the fire.